Every Indian should not forget that they are Rajput, Sikh, or Jat. They must remember that they are Indians and have every right in their country, but with certain duties. Good morning, everyone. Today, I, Aditi Basera of Yeshua Senior Secondary School, Haldwani, Class 7th, want to throw light on the contribution of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel in the freedom struggle of India. Unity in diversity is a deriving principle of Indian politics, society, and governance. It is a state of togetherness despite the presence of infinite diversity. This day is celebrated every year on our country on 31st of October, which marks the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who is also given the title of Iron Man of India because of his strong opinion for the unification of princely states into one nation, and his positive outlook towards women empowerment and to make India what it is today. The Statue of Unity is an enormous statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel inaugurated by Mr. Narendra Modi on 31st of October 2018. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was not only an organizer but also turned out to be people's leader. He earned the title of Sardar after he spearheaded the Peasants' No Tax campaign at Bardoli in Gujarat. Schools, colleges and other educational institutions celebrate this day by providing some cultural activities. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel died on 15th of December 1950. He was awarded the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian honor, in 1991. His birthday on 31st October was declared as Rashtriya Ekta Divas in 2014. Thank you. Have a nice day.